G'day guys, BJ from Edencraft Boats. Can you give you the rundown of the latest 6 metre to leave the factory? As you can tell, white 6 metre offshore, Jonesea. So this boat's gone over to Tasmania. It's in survey. They'll be doing operations around Tasmania, urchin and also a bit of recreational fishing as well. So give you a bit of a rundown. On the 3.3 tonne easy tow trailer, all the stainless steel upgrades with the rotational spare. Down on the trailer here, we've got the boat catch, very popular option lately. Up on the front there, the 9 kilo polished anchor, along with the GX2. With this one, we've added some Dyneema rope to the anchor to give some more anchoring capacity. So I think we've got about 180 metres worth of rope on there, so plenty of anchoring capacity. As you can see, we've got the UVI numbers just under there for the commercial registration. We've got the charcoal grey stone guard, and then we've got the cadet grey bimini up top. Edencraft bow rail. Also got all the stainless steel on top there, so the steady work lights, the antenna, anchor light, all that sort of stuff up there. Okay guys, sit in the back of Jonesea's boat here. As you can tell, these motors are a little bit different to what you usually see. We've got the blue stickers on here that are SeaPro, so that means commercial motor. So it's good. What it does, it gives it a commercial warranty, a 3-year warranty, so 2+1. So fantastic for these commercial guys to have that sort of warranty. The 150s, absolutely brilliant performance-wise. The boat's probably gonna have a fair bit of weight in it being a commercial boat with the catch and things like that, so plenty of power, plenty of hole shot. It's going to be fantastic and fit for purpose for this guy. So with Dan and Tassie, it's going to do a lot of hard work, and these things are going to be absolutely perfect for it. All right guys, up in Jonesea's cockpit. As you can tell, Simrad equipment. We've got the Simrad 16 with a 175 high wide. Also got the vessel view, so the 502, the bigger one. And also got the Lone Star control there. Got all the carling switches, the Mercury controls, and we've got down here the Simrad RS20S. So it's got the integrated GPS, which is a survey requirement, so that's why we've gone that way. Over the side here, we've also added some voltage gauges, just so we can monitor the 3 batteries and see what's going on. Also, it's got the Sonic Hub 2, and the Simrad speakers as well. So really, really nice system, integrates really nicely, works well. Really works well with these boats. Got the new cabin door, you would have seen quite a few times, the new one-piece door. It's got a fair bit of stuff in the cabin because it's going over Tassie on the ship today. So yeah, really nice there. Just in front of me, as you can tell, we've got the Edencraft, the gas pedestal seats, along with the white seats with the silver embroidery, so they look really nice as well. Up on the front here, we've got the dash grab rail and the windscreen grab rail as well. And down the bottom, we've got a footrest there as well for comfortability for the passenger. One thing we do a lot here at the factory now, especially with Simrad and Mercury, is we like to integrate the vessel view link. So what that means is we've got the great little Mercury gauge down there, which is the vessel view, but what we do, we link it up to the Enemy A2000. So with Simrad here, we'll see on the screen here, we've got the Mercury. So what we do, we hit that and we come up and we've got all the engine data. So everything that the motor would display on the vessel view, we can get up here on the Simrad display. So your speed there, your RPM, your fuel burn, your litres per hour, kilometres per litre, all that sort of good bits come up. So awesome functionality, just love that. It's really cool to have it up that big and so visible. It's just, yeah, really integrates very nicely. So you've probably seen a couple of times already, guys, the new dive door, the swinging moulded dive door, gel coat finish, absolutely superb. It's been an awesome addition to the boat. Yeah, fantastic, love it. I've got the deck wash down the bottom there, as you can see, nice in the pocket there out of the way. Can also be disconnected via the bulkhead fitting. Light bank tank's all set up, ready to go. It's got the light in there, it's got the rule pump already. So also you would have seen before, we've got the batteries and all the VSR switches down the back there. So super functional layout as always, the big beefy bait board ready to go. And of course the big SeaPros at the back. So another fantastic boat by the team. It's going to go down to Tassie, it's going to work hard. And it's going to be an awesome boat for Jonesea, so can't wait to set on the water.